Hey, hip chicks, I am at a client's house and we had a light bulb in the top of a shower, right? Like way high. We've got a big ladder set up and go to replace the light bulb and looky here. The socket is literally stuck in or I should say the bottom of the bulb is stuck in the socket. What had happened was there was a leak in this light fixture. And because of that, it rusted out, it shorted out. So the circuit breaker is now off. Do not ever attempt to remove the base of a bulb without turning off the breaker, okay? Turning the wall switch is not enough. You have to go turn the breaker. So the breaker's off, the bulb is out. Now I'm going to get out the section of the bulb and it should be smooth sailing after that. So let's see, sometimes you need a tool to do this, and sometimes you can be lucky enough to just pull it out with your fingers and it is almost out. There you go. Breaker off, easy peasy. And for those of you who have heard that you can use a potato to take out a broken base, you absolutely can, but here's the deal. The breaker must be off, because if you took a raw, wet potato and stuffed it into a live socket, you're gonna have French fries, okay? And yourself fried. So don't do that. Breaker off anytime you do electrical work.